Most of us know who Warren Buffett is. Take a look at this graph. Warren Buffett is retiring after delivering a 400x return to shareholders. Absolutely legendary. And that's regard to Berkshire Hathaway. But as you can see here, how long did it take for him to generate generational wealth? 10, 20? Nope. Took almost 40 years. He started well before 1990 and just retired. So we're looking at 40, 45 years. A lot of time, but the average US citizen spends about 46 years in the workforce. So each year you're generating an income, you should be allocating some of your income from work into investing. Now, we're not guaranteeing gains like this, but if you invest in the proper cryptos, real estate, stocks, ETFs, do your research, you can see similar gains as this. It doesn't take a genius, it just takes patience and consistency. And there, right there, is living proof. Like and subscribe for more information like this. Play awesome.